Well, the three major drug distributors named in thousands of lawsuits alleging they contributed to the nation's opioid crisis are close to a potential settlement for $18 billion. Now, that's according to reporting from the Wall Street Journal tonight, citing people familiar with the discussions. Now, this comes just days before the first federal trial over the opioid crisis is set to begin Monday in Cleveland, where those companies, along with pharmacies like CVS, Walgreens, and Walmart, are named. 4 drug makers have reached settlements with just the 2 counties involved in that trial, while Teva remains the sole drug maker there. Now, this settlement, though, if it's reached, would address the lawsuits more broadly, according to the Journal, and the $18 billion would be paid over 18 years. The paper also reports Johnson & Johnson is involved in the discussions to contribute additional money. Now, shares of the drug distributors, Cardinal Health, McKesson, Americsource, Bergen, they're up quite a bit in the after hours, probably as the settlement split among the 3 and paid over 18 years, maybe less than what some on Wall Street had feared. Morgan Stanley in August estimated base case liability for Cardinal at $8.2 billion, McKesson at $10.9 billion, and Amerisource Bergen at $6.9 billion. Amerisource Bergen declined to comment tonight, while McKesson and Cardinal Health didn't immediately respond. J&J just told us, as its CFO did this morning on Squawk, that it's, quote, open to viable options to resolve these cases, including through settlement. Mel, back over to you.
All right, Meg, thank you. Meg Tirrell. It would be paltry if the 3 drug distributors and J&J split it over 18 years. Right,
$18 billion.
Was
J&J in those 3?
Meg said that they might kick in money.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So, and then you spread that over 18 years,
right?
And it's almost nothing.
Wow. Well, that's, I guess, why they're up so big in the after hours. I'm surprised. I would have thought that this has been not priced in this, but the idea that there'd be some sort of global settlement been happening, but that's interesting.
Yeah, I think this is an extraordinary result if it's the final result. I think, again, you have federal dynamics up ahead. I think there will be more people coming forward. I think this is still an overhang, but in the short run, I liked J&J yesterday. I like it more today.
And Tim was right about J&J, but McKesson at less than 9 times forward earnings. They report on the 30th. If this is sort of the last bit of news we're going to hear until then, you have to ask the question, do you want to be the short this name into earnings? My answer would be no. So I do think there's further room to the upside, and specifically MCK and Cardinal Health as well.